can't believe I got grounded for destroying the fireworks. Because of this, I was sent to the Thomas death scene from Shed 17 and then forced to watch class at Thomas and Friends. All because I destroyed a little box of fireworks. What the actual fuck? If Matthew didn't stop me, I would have gotten away with murder. Him and that skanky skunk have gone too far. And you know what? I'm so done with this bullshit. Which is why today, I will kill him and that skunk. And Thomas is the inspiration behind my new plan. I will hijack Thomas at his branch line and derail him. I will then drive Thomas to Matthew's house. And he'll pierce right through it. Ha. Ha. Ha ha. However, to do something as sinister as this, I'll need to travel to the island of Setter. Setter is in Britain. So how will I be able to get there quickly? I wonder who that could be. Oh, hello Pete. What's in the box?
Glad you asked. It's the new teleporter you ordered.
Shut up and take my money!
Oh joy, this teleporter will surely help me with my plan. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I know what happens with this teleporter.
Thomas is a tank engine.
Cinders and ashes. What is a pedestrian doing on my branch line?
Funny you should ask. I'm Boris.
Fizzling fireboxes. You better not be that one Boris the engines have told me about.
In case you're wondering. No. I'm Boris, Sir Topham Hatt's brother.
Really? Mr. Topham Hatt never told me he had a brother.
And you never told him where engines are made at. Now listen. Sir Topham Hatt told me that we had to collect some trucks at Luxembourg Station.
Alright then. Let's go.
I don't like the look of this guy, Thomas. I'm worried he's up to no good. Perhaps we should apply the brakes.
What have we got to worry about? He's Sir Topham Hatt's brother after all.
2 hours later.
What's happening? I can't slow down. Hey.
We tried to warn you. We tried to warn you.
Clarable. No matter what I've said or done, I've always liked you.
Thomas, I used your dome to unclog my firebox.
I want to stop. I want to stop.
I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable breakfast.
Oh, the horrors.
The house rocked, broken glass
I'm deeply sorry. Pardon my intrusion.
Fifi, I don't know whether to count this as a curse or a blessing.
Well, it's obvious that a curse. A chunk of our house is disheveled.
But I thought you liked Thomas.
I'm Z from France. Not from Britain.
Yes. My plan worked perfectly. I managed to tear down part of the Koopa household with Thomas the Tank Engine. I have defeated you once and for all. That's what you get for making grounded videos out of me and living with a skank like Fifi.
Oh me fucking god. Boris C. child abuser. I cannot believe you would ever sink this low. How dare you crush Thomas C. Tank Engine in our house?
Wait. This Boris is Sir Topham Hatt's brother.
No, Thomas. He has played a dirty trick on you. I talked to Sir Topham Hatt and he told me he was an only child. Thus, there is a guaranteed no chance that Boris is his brother.
That's it, Boris. Get out from this house while these two citizens call your guardians.
Now that the rain is gone, I'll call Gordon to help you out of the house.
Sounds good, kid.
Boris. Get your fucking ass over the fucking here right fucking now, you fucker. You have a truckload of explaining to do. Oh, Boris the child abuser. How dare you crush Thomas the Tank Engine into Matthew's house? You know hijacking trains is illegal.
That is so it. You are so grounded for 15 trillion days. And for your punishment, I will summon the I like trains kid to run you over.
I like trains.
Serves him right for this shitty pulled.
Agreed. Agreed indeed.